Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to display or print a fixed number of decimal points or float data in text view of Android app. So let's begin. Create a new project, fixed decimal point in float, and I'll click finish and wait for the environment to load. It may take a while. Once the environment loads, I'll also start the emulator in parallel on the right hand side. I don't think I need this any other files. So the layout, I think I'll be using the text view definitely to print my output. So I'll give it some ID. So text view, and rest of things I'll leave it as no. I'll increase the size probably so it's much clearly visible. From 14 to probably 34, but we have big good size. And also I'll change it to bold so that it's visible clearly. And yeah, that's all. And what I'll do is, so my emulator is coming on right hand side. Okay, so I'll just minimize it for the time being. And what else I'll do is I'll need a button, so I'll just put a button somewhere here, and I will just make it at center, constraint center, horizontal, and fix to, say for example, 2 digits. Okay, so say for example I'll take some number with a very large decimal points, and also by clicking on this button that how it gets fixed to 2 digits. So that's all I guess in terms of my layout. I'll quickly go to my Java code, and here first and foremost let me create a method for the button click, public void button fix decimal points view, and then I'll go here, and in the on click attribute I will associate it with that particular method. Perfect. Now I'll create a class variable with a float, say for example float number, anything randomly. I'll just take it. So for example 5.621478.145. So randomly I've just taken something. Give f to make it float, otherwise it will take it as a double by default. And now I'll do one thing. I'll also define another class variable for text view to access the text view widget from my Java code or Android code. No, not here. I'll do it in the onCreate method. So what I'll do is text view equals to find view by id r.id.textView. Perfect. Now once I have it, then I will print over here set text. So in this one I'll print the number as it is to show. Okay, I think I should have done the string value of string.value of. So here I'm not doing any formatting, so it will print all the digits by default. So this will execute on the start on the create. Okay, now in this one I'll change it, so I'll use the same almost, but apart from string.value of, I'll use something called format. Yeah, this one, and the first argument will be the format what I want. So say for example I want a format percentage 0.02f. So this will display my float number for 2 decimal points. So let me rerun and see if it works. What is giving a warning? Implicitly using the default local so that's fine. It's just like that the local of the string will be the default whatever the phone is or the device has. So that's fine. So let me rerun my thing, and app should come up. So by default I'll first see the complete number whatever we have taken here. So okay, so we can see the number here, so which is the full number. I think it's trying to round off the last 2 digits or something like that because of the internal limit of the float variable. So what I'll do is probably I can shorten it and try to see if it comes nicely now. Yeah, perfect. So if you can see right now it's around 6 digit number, but what if you want to make it around for 2 digits? So I have made it over here, so let me click that. Okay, so it crashed. I think I have done one small mistake. It should not be percentage 0, it should be just percentage 0.02. So now let me see if it works. Okay, perfect. So that's all. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you. That how you can cut short the decimal points to the limit whatever you want to do over here. I also show probably for other digits. Say for example, if you want to make it to only to one digit, okay, so just change it over here. If I rerun very quickly, of course initially it comes as a full number. Okay, so it's truncating into just a one number. And same thing I can do it as, say for example, if I want to make it to four digit, or say, let us say three digits, just change it to three, and this time I'm expecting output as 621. So perfect. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you. You can change it to whatever number format you want to change the number of decimal points in this by just using this one line of the code. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.